Wired remote controller installation. Before you start wired remote controller installation, ensure that all necessary safety precautions have been implemented. Let's get ready for the installation. Take a look at what's inside the box. If the wired remote controllers are to be installed vertically, please leave a gap of at least 50 millimeters. Let's review the duct zoning system and clarify the location of each unit in the system. Let's start the installation. Insert the edge of the slotted screwdriver into the groove at the bottom of the mounting plate. Push and turn the slotted screwdriver to separate and remove the controller from the mounting plate groove. Do not insert the slotted screwdriver into the tab part beside the groove. The tab may be damaged. To mount the controller directly on the surface of a wall, secure the mounting plate onto the wall with M4x16mm screws. Connect the cable. Attach the controller to the mounting plate. Be careful not to expose the controller cable. After installation, remove the protective film from the LCD screen. WRC installation has been done successfully.